Welcome to Universal Orlando Resort's Aventura Hotel, room number 830. I'm Stephanie, owner of Monkey See, Monkey Cruise. This is going to be a room tour of the standard 2-queen room. You have over here a connecting door, so if you have family members over on the other side, you can use that door. Here's a little nook where you can put storage of maybe your suitcase or a stroller if you're here with the young ones. And of course, you do have a closet where you can hang stuff up. You have an ironing board, you have some extra sheets, and you do have a safe up there. And this does also open up, so it's not just the one side. And then of course you can see your actual iron up there, and some more storage that you could put up there. So if you have multiple suitcases that you need extra storage, you can fit one up there. This didn't actually open up, which I thought was weird because it felt like it was space for something. Over here you do have your bathroom with your sink, and there's that hallway to come into the room. And then you have this divider, which was really nice, having it split between the bathroom and the main room. There's your sink, and then you have the toilet room with the shower, and it separates with that pocket door. And then you do have the light over here on the right hand side, and then your showers in there, and it comes with the shampoo and conditioner, of course, like every hotel. Just the standard little shower head and one little shelf, and then you have a little area to hang your towels when they're wet. And then here we come into the main room of the hotel. You have the standard 2 queens. This is where they gave me the keys. And then over here you have the TV, which is typically already on for you. You have your little coffee machine with your ice bucket and cups, a little coffee. And then over here you do have some drawers, of course. That way if you want to unpack and put things away. And you have your mini fridge, which is more of like just a cooler. And then this is how the room is managed. You use this tablet to manage the TV, you can manage the air conditioning, you can manage the lights with this. So you're just going to go ahead and go through those screens that I showed, and then you can see everything here. And you're going to see how it works with the light, the desk lamp right there. And you press the off button, and then I pressed it again because I thought it would turn on, but it's actually a specific on button, and there it was. And then over here you do have a little working desk with a chair, so if you want to come and you need to do a little bit of work, that's where you can do it. Here are the shades, and of course you have that double layer, so that way it is blackout shades. And then this was the view that I had. Nothing too crazy, I would venture and say not even amazing at all. But you do have a very partial view of the pool area. This is where some of the lounge chairs are, so you can't actually see the pool, but you can see the pool area. And if you're taking any of the shuttles to the parks, this is where it's going to be, right over in that area. You see all those buses, and that's where you would go to wait for them to go head over to the park. I was on the 8th floor, and as you can see, there were still more floors above me. So definitely very high, and you can definitely get nice views if you're on one of the other sides. But here is the full room, and the beds were pretty comfortable. I do have to say I only slept on one of them. I didn't switch. And then here you have your little nightstand with the phone and paper and pen. And then I wasn't quite sure what that thing was, but anyways, here's the other bed, and you can see there's a little light over at the corner over there, and then a little light over at the other end for the other bed. So if you want some night lights, or like if you're working in bed or reading in bed or something, you can go ahead and do that. Well, thank you so much for watching this room tour. If you have any questions, please send them in the comments. Bye.